everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing well today. Hope everybody's having a great week. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, the button is just right down there. So today we're in the kitchen. Actually in the little eating area here, but this is the best place I got. So today we're doing full packet dinners. We tried one over the weekend, it did well. We're going to try a different one. All you need to start out with is aluminum foil. Today we're going to do steak, so we've got some vacuum sealed strip steaks. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, I recommend getting one. They are awesome. We got some little golden gourmet potatoes. Got some baby carrots. A little salt and pepper, and a little olive oil spray. Got a fire going outside on the big green egg. Right now it's showing 361 degrees, but that will drop. We're going to try to cook them for about 30 minutes at 350. And it ought to come out just right. So let's look down here on the cutting board and I'll show you putting it together. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and now these potatoes have been washed. Carrots have been washed. All I'm going to do is half them up. Just like that. Or split them. Yeah. Alright, the carrots, I'll leave them just the way they are. Let me get the steak out of the bag and we'll cut. Alright, got the steaks here. I'm going to cut those up just into, I guess, slices. These are, what, a ½ inch thick. Let them cook more even. Alright, let me wipe my cutting board off and we'll build the packets. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get the foil out here. Now I'm using heavy duty foil. You don't have to, but I like it. Shiny side in. I'm trying. 2 layers, just like that. We'll take a little olive oil spray. Like so. Put the steak in here. Put a little salt and pepper on the steak. That's all it needs. And we'll put some potatoes around it. Then put some carrots on top of it. That's it. Well, I'm going to put a little more salt and pepper on it now. There on the potatoes. Alright, now I'm going to make a packet out of it. And from what I've gathered, you don't make it really tight. And that's all you do. I'm going to make another one and then we'll go out there on the grill. So we're out here at the egg. Got a good fire going. 390 degrees. Hope you can see it.
And there we go.
I'll take a picture if you can't. Let me show you what kind of fire we got going on here. Goodness. So we got the fire just right here in the center. This is lump charcoal, hardwood lump. So all I'm going to do is set these foil packets on here, like that. That's all it takes. Now we drop down to 310. It'll come back up. Set a timer for 30 minutes. Do that right now. And we'll check the temperature on the steak, see how we're doing. Hopefully we'll be good. I'll bring you back then. Okay, one of our foil packets is done. Come here and look at it. So the potatoes got a good char on them. The carrots are tender. And the steak is done the way Tanya likes it.
Yeah, burnt.
Burnt. So we'll go ahead and plate it up.
Smells good.
I like it when those potatoes get caramelized. They get really good then. There we go.
Dinner is served.
Alright, there you have it. Steak, potatoes, and carrots. Foil packet dinner. Easy to do. Took 45 minutes altogether. Piece of cake, cleanup is right here. So anyway, hope y'all enjoy this video. Leave me a comment and question down in the bottom. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, get me over 1,000. We're at 944 right now. But I hope everybody's having a great day and a great evening. And until the next video, thanks for watching.